on me. Promise that you'll never be alone.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, today I'll be teaching you viewers, as you already saw in the demonstration earlier on in the video, how to get rid of large open pores using aloe vera ice cubes. And it was very self-explanatory. You all saw how it was done, so I just wanted to let you know what I've done in the past and how the aloe vera ice cubes helped me reduce my large open pores. Aloe vera, which grows in hot, dry areas, is a medicinal plant with thick leaves that secrete a mucus-like juice. It secretes a mucus-like juice. This secretion from the leaves is used for many purposes. We all know that, such as soothing and healing burns. Aloe vera is very good for burns. I don't know if you viewers know it. When you cut your hands on, when you breathe your hands on, when you have burns, just apply fresh aloe vera instantly and it helps prevent scars. So healing of burns, cuts, rashes, as well as moisturizing the skin. We have so many different types of aloe vera gels, cream. It really moisturizes the skin and it nourishes the skin. So it is also effective for the reduction of the size of pores on your face. Viewers, this really helps. When you mix it with other ingredients such as facial cleanser, or apply only the juice directly to your skin or your face, or as I initially stated in the video, you basically make the aloe vera juice with ice water, apply it on your face gently, leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour, go have a shower, and viewers, your sky is your limit. It will reduce your pores instantly. So hope you viewers did enjoy this video. I'll see you viewers in my next. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay beautiful as always. Bye.